out there. Today I've got something a little different for you. This will be kind of fun. What I'm going to start incorporating into the Wicked Lick of the Day is not only guitar licks, but guitar riffs to some really famous and just popular and really fun songs to play, maybe to inspire you to play something that you've never done before. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to play this, and I want you to let me know if you know what this is, okay? You should know right away, but we'll see if you know this, okay? So here it is. You know what that is? This is a really, really fun song if you've never played this before, and I'm going to keep trying to introduce you to things that are not ridiculously hard, but stuff that's really fun to do. So what we're going to be doing with this song is we're going to learn how to play this. Now, if you need the tablature for this, if you go to igpa.org/wickedlick, I think this is 19. I think that's what we're doing is number 19. Okay? So this is what's going to happen here. Okay? What we're going to do is we're going to go to the 5th fret of the 5th string, and I'm giving you the jam track this week as well. So you have the Guitar Pro tab, the regular tab, and the jam track. So you're going to go to the 5th fret of the 5th string, and you're going to play that and hammer to the 7th fret. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to play the 6th string, and then you're going to go up to the 5th fret of the 4th string. So you have... Now what I usually do is I'll give a little bit of a palm mute on the 6th string, but that's entirely up to you. Okay, then you're going to hit the 6th string again and go back to the 7th fret of the 5th string. So you have... Then you're going to pluck the 6th string again and go to the 5th fret. Okay, and then you're going to hit the 6th string again and go back to the 7th fret. So you have... Okay, so the 0 is really important between all that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to head down to the 3rd fret, you're going to play that and do a pull-off. So you have... Then you're going to do a hammer-on from 5 to 7 again. So it sounds like this. Now, when I normally play this, I don't play it all down like that, although that would be fine for you to do. I tend to use more of an alternate pick. Okay? So that's what I want you to be thinking about a little bit is how it's most comfortable for you. This, again, isn't a hard song, but if you've never played it before, it's actually really fun, and I'm going to keep trying to introduce you to various famous or classic songs, or maybe they're not even classic, maybe newer songs, but stuff that has licks and riffs and things that are fun for you to play. So keep practicing and take a look at this one. And again, the lick is at, or the tablature is at igpa.org/wickedlick/19. I think this one is 19. So everybody take care, and I'll see you soon.